we are comfortable now, and we are out of 3,500 for 3,000. Established ILS 25 left.
Turn left heading 18 minutes.
We are established on ILS 25 left.
So you are 5 miles from Karachi, engine passing 3,500. 03 clear line 25 left.
Roger, Pakistan 830. 303 going round. For Pakistan 8303, we would like to come again for ILS 25 left.
Roger, turn left heading 110, climb 3,000.
Left heading confirm.
From left heading 110, climb 3,000.
110, climb 3,000, Pakistan 8303.
8303, you are jumping altitude 2,000.
Sir, we have just give me 2,000.
So maintain 2,000. Charging showing 1808 feet at descent.
Copied, sir. We are now trying to maintain, sir.
8303 approach.
Ji, sir.
Appears to be turning left.
While proceeding back, sir, we have lost engines.
Confirm you are carrying out belly landing?
Clear, Mayday, Pakistan 8303.
Pakistan 8303, Roger, sir. Both runways available to land.